To use sport mode on your Garmin Vivoactive 6s, do this. Open the activity list by swiping left on your watch. Now scroll up or down through available sports. Then tap on the sport you want to start. For example, walk. Tap the home button to start a workout. You will see 3 metrics: distance, pace, and heart rate. Swipe left to play music. Swipe right to manage settings. To finish the activity, press the home button. Here you can also resume it later or save for your statistics. To discard, press the option Discard, then the home button and wait for a few seconds. A little customization. Add or remove activities via Garmin Connect. Just click Add to add an activity or Edit to remove sport from the list. Subscribe for more useful tips.